Vice President Professor Naana Opoku-Agyemang, who performed the commissioning, described the project as a transformative step in Ghana's commitment to strengthening mental health care and safeguarding the well-being of vulnerable groups. She highlighted ongoing health sector reforms, particularly the uncapping of NHIS funding and the establishment of the Ghana Medical Trust Fund, known as Mahama Care, as long-term investments aimed at supporting chronic mental health conditions. Professor Opoku-Agyemang added that the newly commissioned center would directly support these national efforts by expanding mental health care options for women and children in the region.
These initiatives represent a major step towards long-term resilience, and your facility plays a significant role in this very important march. The nation relies on partnerships with private sector actors, foundations, and institutions that share our vision for a stronger, healthier Ghana. The medical and mental health challenges among children, mothers, students, this center contributes directly to the effort and expands care options to this region with this purpose-built mental wellness facility.
Her Royal Highness Lady Julia Osei Tutu, whose advocacy inspired the project, said the facility reflects a response to rising but often unspoken mental health challenges among women and children.
The commissioning of the KGL Eve Medical Centre is more than the opening of a facility. It is the beginning of a new chapter in compassionate healthcare. Too many families in our society suffer silently from various forms of mental illness. Yet for many years, these issues have been met with silence, stigma, and discrimination instead of care and understanding. It is time to take off the wraps and to address the needs of the hundreds and thousands of people who have been suffering silently.
Chairman of KGL Foundation, Alex Apo-Dadi, paid tribute to Lady Julia, describing her as a visionary force behind the initiative. She emphasized that the center aligned with KGL Group commitment to nation building through sustainable social investment.
On behalf of the KGL Foundation and entire KGL Group, I am deeply honored to stand before you to officially present, commission, and hand over this magnificent building, the KGL Eve Medical Centre, a multi-million-dollar purpose-built mental health wellness facility, proudly funded and donated to Ashanti and the people of Ghana. For far too long, access to professional mental health care has been a privilege, limited by geography. Patients and families were compelled to travel hundreds of kilometers to the south of the country, journeys that were emotionally exhausting, financially draining, and medically risky. Today, that changes.
Phase 1 of the multi-million-dollar facility includes psychiatric consulting room, therapy and counseling units, inpatient wards, diagnostic and pharmacy units, rehabilitation centers, and administrative offices. The project is the first stage of the three-phase development schedule for completion in 2027.